Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a super healthy drink that tastes like port wine using only 3 simple ingredients, and it's coming right up. Do you want a great tasting drink that has many health benefits and tastes like port wine without the alcohol? Well, I'm going to show you how to make one in less than a minute using only 3 ingredients. First, get yourself a glass of water. Then add a teaspoon to a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, depending on how strong you like it. Then add a heaped teaspoon of Blackstrap molasses. Stir well until all mixed. This drink packs a nutritional punch that is rich in vitamins and minerals and amino acids. These superfoods are known to help combat stress, PMS, anemia, lower blood pressure, and is a good tonic to aid in weight loss. So try it for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and hit the like button if you would like to get more health tips.